Hey guys, we're gonna play Roblox today, and we're playing Bee Swarm Simulator with my friend.
I'm your sister.
Yeah, with my sister.
Oh yeah. Lisa, where are you? You should look at me. See?
I can't switch.
Yay! Oh my goodness, my tub of honey is almost full. So guys, how is your day? Is it well? Is it disgusting? Is it great?
Is it trash?
Today, we just came after I don't know, and today and tomorrow is PA day, which we don't go to school, and
Whoa.
on Monday is family day. So yeah.
Okay. So
Let's not tell them that we're kids, okay? Because people are gonna watch it on YouTube.
actually, we're not kids. They're just saying that because we're tricking you, and that we're actually about 13 or about to 15-year-old. Or 20. I don't know. I don't remember my age. Because I'm a doofus. Okay.
Guess
Call
what?
me the
I ate
doofus.
200 peanuts yesterday. It was my world record.
But you won't see her in world record because they don't know that yet.
Yeah, I had diarrhea yesterday and I pooped so much that I couldn't even breathe.
Yeah, okay. Now we're gonna do this quest I'm doing.
Yep.
The first one complete, and yeah.
Bo, 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 bo.
Boo, 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 boo. Awesome Face got a lot of these. They're really good. He has Robux.
Wow. I wish I got Robux so that I can buy more tickets to buy more Royal Jelly.
You know what? If I have enough Robux, I can buy something really good, about like 1,500 tickets, so I can get Royal and golden egg, and also some more bees, and if I also have enough, if I have like 7,000, I can get I can also get a bear
Hey,
bee.
Vincent, look at me. See, I'm right behind you.
Hi.
Hi.
So my sister's username in Roblox is Hoochie.
You should go tag me. You should go follow me. You should be my friend. Yeah. I know I sound like a crazy person, but seriously, I'm not. Woohoo! Hoochie. You're so mean.
What?
I heard you say no, don't friend. You're so mean. I hate you. Stop.
Some YouTubers say that to the other friend like that. Like a YouTuber say like that. Other partner YouTuber say like, go subscribe to me, and then the other YouTube in the microphone is like, don't subscribe. He's like that. Bullet Bill.
Beep, 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 beep. I wish I could create my own channel, Minsa.
You did. You can.
How?
You can share your magic videos on YouTube.
How?
You press share and it says share to, and then you press YouTube, and then you can create your own YouTube. Wait, do you have an account?
Yeah, I have a YouTube account.
No, do you have an account? Like,
Yeah,
are you a guest or do you have an account
have an account?
in the YouTube?
Yeah.
Okay, so you can make one.
But how?
Make one.
How?
You can install the U recorder and make it follow your games. Like make it. Should I spend it? Should I spend this egg? Should I spend this basic egg? Or no?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
It's worth a shot.
Yeah, it's worth the shot. Please be a legendary. Please be a legendary. Please be a legendary. Please be a legendary.
Guys, you know that
Please be a
I have
legendary.
2 red
Oh
legendaries.
no, I got a basic B.
Guess
It's
what,
not
guys?
worth
I
the
have 2 red legendaries. So cool, right?
No one cares because some people over has like all of their hives are legendaries, like all 25 legendaries. My sister farted. I fell, I got hurt, and I almost fell on top of a knife. Don't Okay, so if I tell you when you have a new subscriber and then the person who watches this video looks at your video, I want to tell that she farted at the bee swarm video. Okay, I want to name it called bee swarm fart. Okay, now I can feed treats to you. Bye. One. 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 Done. Check. Check. Oh, these are treats. Oh, I thought it was like. In third place.
What about me?
Okay. Now.
I'm first?
Nope. I'll tell you something.
What?
Are you gonna do bamboo parkour now?
No.
I can help you. I practiced.
Don't worry, I don't want to.
You know how good you know how the skills I have are good? Jump! Guys, if you don't know, I can tell you a secret.
Stop.
Just kidding, that's not the secret. Actually, the secret is a secret obstacle course. you go here near that honey dispenser, behind it, you'll see a huge hole. You want to go in there. If you don't know how to do it, you look at the red light. Here, you fall into this hole, and then there's a whole nother ivy. That's the reason there's royal jelly up there. Jump! It didn't jump for me. Oh no, there's a butt. A butt.
Sprout has a penis.
It was trying to eat you. Oh, I see the sprout. Look at it bow for a little 23. I can bum. I need to do beetle. I need to do beetle rampage thing. I can beat 20 beetles. You know what? I can beat 100 ladybugs. All in a week. You wanna fight? You wanna fight? You wanna fight? You can beat me. Okay, I can beat you. Laser glass. Laser glass, Chris. Race. My name is Lincoln. If you wanna go, you gotta face me. I'm just a butt and a little son of a butt. Tomato, you're avocado. I just eat my basic be level 2. Oh yeah. Now what? Are you gonna mess with me, Nuna? What happens if there was battles? Bee battles. Oh my gosh, this is so glitchy. 1 second. Oh, it was still. Okay, sorry guys. Right now we are going like here. Okay, let's do this. Oh yes, we're going to Black Bear now. Go, jumpy, yo. Jump, yum. Oh yeah, nice job. It smells good in those fields. 2 more quests and I'll give you a royal jelly. 18 more quests and I'll give you my diamond egg. Whoa, that's a lot of honey. I wonder what the mountain will look like without the bees. Do you think flowers would just grow taller and taller? That would be a big mess, and I wouldn't be able to stand it. I'll guess I'll have to clean up things myself. Oh no. Thankfully, I can count on you and your bees. Here's the next lesson to quest becoming a top honey maker. Collect 40,000 pollen from the dandelion and bamboo fields. What promise? It's a lesson. I'm not just trying to get you do my dirty work. Who would do such a thing? Weed whacker too. Okay, so bye guys. No! Okay, the last thing,
guys, bye.